Hello and welcome to Sibos 2018 in Sydney. I'm Hannah Wallace and with me now is Mike Lim of ANZ and we're talking about digitisation. Hello Mike, thank you very much for joining me.
Hi Hannah, thanks for having me.
Now firstly, can you tell me how is the digitisation of banking services affecting the management of supply chains?
Okay, well I guess especially in the trade space, trade has been predominantly a paper-based trade. It is, well actually about 99% of trade globally is still paper-based. So you've got literally trillions of pieces of paper moving around the globe concurrently. So that digitisation piece and digitising bills of lading or POs or invoices is actually going to create a huge amount of efficiency for our customers as well as the banks. There's a lot of fraud involved. As long as we're using paper, the opportunities for fraud are immense. So all you need really is a really good laser printer these days to duplicate documents, right? So eliminating that paper and digitising it is going to really help us manage fraud, money laundering, financial crime. Yeah. And once it's digitised and you've got that database or that data pool for our customers, for the banks, it's, as I said, we'll be able to detect money laundering a lot more efficiently through algorithms and what have you, but also our customers will be able to use that data more efficiently for their own forward planning, analysis of where things are getting stuck in their own processes or supply chain, and creating more efficiencies for themselves.
Fantastic, all right. And then what are the next steps for blockchain and distributed ledger, and what will be the benefits in the banking industry?
Well, I guess blockchain. We've seen a lot of proof of concepts over the last number of years. I think 2016 was the year of the proof of concept. 2017 was the year of the announcement of the consortium, and really, I think this year we've seen a lot of those proof of concepts or consortiums now moving through to production and actually building those networks and bringing them to the fore. We've been working on a distributed ledger guarantee project here in Australia, which will eventually eliminate all paper guarantees in the country. So what does that mean for us and our customers? It means massive efficiency around exchanging these paper instruments between parties. Elimination of fraud. We talked about the laser printer just before. Happens a lot. And really just, our customers will be able to have a multi-bank experience. So we're developing it as a utility for the industry. So once, it becomes a reality and banks roll on it, it means that our customers will be able to see their guarantees across all banks, or all banks' customers will be able to have a multi-bank platform for their guarantee project, which creates a huge amount of efficiencies for them.
Yeah, it's an exciting development, there's no doubt about that. And there's a lot of focus on the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning in the industry. So what are some of the most sort of compelling and creative uses of artificial intelligence that you've seen?
There's a huge number of use cases for artificial intelligence. From your predictive analytics all the way through to your mundane operations. So with, as I said, 99% of trade being paper-based, while we're all working towards digitising and eliminating that paper, the reality is we're not going to get rid of it quickly. It's still going to be around for some time. So we've been using AI or machine learning in our Bangalore hub to automate a lot of the manual processes. So actually, combination of different technologies of OCR, natural language processing, photo imagery, to effectively be able to read a piece of paper or a document and pick off the supplier's name, the buyer name, addresses, countries, and pre-populate our systems. So we've got about 30% now of our volumes in trade running through AI. And we're running that in parallel to our existing processes, but the efficiencies for the customer is potentially 30 to 50% reduction in turnaround times. It allows us to capture a lot more data, which means then a different machine learning algorithm can run over that data pool and identify financial crimes, so anomalies, but you can then also use machine learning to run an algorithm over that data to identify the good stuff as well. So you can start providing insights to your customers predictive analytics and help them get more efficient in their processes, or identify areas that could be interesting to them from a business development perspective.
Fantastic. Well, Mike, thank you for your insights. This has been a pleasure.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching.